Listening. Page 17. Activity 2. Using context clues. Conversation 1.
Sarah, this is my friend Ming.
Hi, Ming. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. Are you a student at Faber College?
No, I go to the University of California.
The University of California? What's it like?
It's not at all like Faber College. It's huge. There are over 40,000 students.
Yeah, give it to me. Now we have different options here. Question number 1 says, what is this University of California like, where Sierra goes? Now, most of the students every year, they pick up the answer number D, okay? Because, leave aside the frame, because we will again play it, so it's more important for the students to see the questions here. So, most of the students, they pick up 14,000 students, which is option D, thinking that this is the correct answer, because she says something 40,000, 14,000, so they are a little confused. Yes, that's the catch. In this question, they are going to test your tens and teens, whether you understand it properly or not, whether you are able to differentiate between teens and tens. So it's like Faber College? No, it's a big college. It says it's huge. Then, okay, please, I will be grateful if you write down the word huge here. Huge. So huge means very big. Option B says it's a big school, and you remember, school is also the university or college. We can call it school. It's a small school. No, it's not a small school. And D, it has 14,000 students. No, she says it has 40,000. She says, no, it's huge. It's got 40,000 students. So you have to make this difference. You have to know this difference, that what is the difference between 14 and 40,000. Okay, so it's option number B. Let's go to the second one.
Question 1. What is the University of California like?
Wow, that's a lot of students.
Yes, but I have a lot of friends there.
Conversation 2.
So, how do you like Faber College?
I like it a lot. There's a lot to do, and my classes are interesting.
What classes are you taking?
I'm taking contemporary English literature, multimedia writing, and introduction to journalism. How about you?
I'm taking general biology and calculus. I'm also taking psychology.
So, what's your favorite class?
Well, biology and calculus are hard, but I really enjoy psychology.
Question 2.
Let's stop it. So question 2 says, as you know, that Ali has taken a few subjects and psychology is one of them. Psychology, which is the study of mind and how does it work, it starts with a P, but the P is silent, as you know. So what does he say about psychology? Is it hard, difficult, it's easy, it's boring, or it's not interesting? These are almost the same. It's boring, yani mumil, and it's not interesting. These are same things. But he says it is easy and it is fun and it is not hard at all. So you have to choose option number B. So psychology is something that he likes because it is easy. Okay.
What does Ali say about psychology?
Psychology? What do you like about that class?
Well, it's interesting and it's fun. And the best thing is that it's not hard at all like my other classes.
Conversation 3.
So, do you want to get some lunch at the cafe?
Sure, but I need to get some money first.
Are you going to the bank?
No, I'm just looking for an ATM.
There are a few ATMs on campus. There's one in the student union, and there's one next to the gym.
Which one is closer?
The one in the student union.
Question 3.
Okay. So Beth wants some money and she wants to withdraw some money. Now, for the withdrawal of money, where do we normally go? We can go to the bank, yes. We can go to cafe, no. We can go to the gym, no. We can go to the student union, no. We have to go to a bank. But here, what's more important is that we have now ATM machines. You know, the full form of ATM is automated teller machines. Sarraf, you know, you go to a machine where you put in your card and you withdraw money. Money comes out and you take happily and go away. And now, no need to go to the bank unless you have some issues with your account. You don't normally visit a bank. So where is Beth going? You know, in the beginning she says, let's go to the cafe. But she says, I have to get some money before I go to a cafe. So where is the nearest cafe? Where is the nearest ATM located? And she says there is one in the student union building. So the nearest ATM withdrawal machine is in the student union. So she would like to go to the student union. That is B.
Is Beth going?
Let's go to that ATM then. I don't want to walk too far. And we can go to the cafe afterwards.
Conversation 4.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for the English department.
Oh, that's on the other side of campus.
How do I get there?
Just go straight ahead, past the student union,
Uh-huh.
and turn right at the cafe.
Turn right at the cafe. Okay.
Next to the cafe is the library.
Okay.
Walk past the library, and there you are. It's the next building.
Question 4.
Okay, now what happens here that they're looking for the English department, and I will be happy if I could show. Let me try for a while. Can you please go to this underpinning? Yeah, go to this one. Let me see if I have this chapter 1. I would be happy if you open up this Bismillah PPT. I hope I have it. Yeah, close it. Yeah, we'll just have a brief preview about this chapter 1, which I made long time back in the PowerPoint presentation. Just go on, like, next one. No, this is healthcare, I think. This is healthcare. No. We don't need this. So you can, let me see, chapter 1, is there or no? No, go down a little. No, I don't think I have it here. Anyways, okay. So I would request you to play this audio again, and this time when he gives the directions, stop after each sentence of the direction. Go,
Union.
play again.
Uh-huh.
Go straight ahead.
No, play again.
Conversation 4.
Yeah. No.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for the English department.
Oh, that's on the other side of campus.
Let's stop it. He says it's on the other side of the campus. It's quite far, okay?
How do I get there?
Just go straight ahead.
Okay, he says the first direction that he gives. Why I am taking line by line? I want you to understand the directions. He says, just go straight ahead. You go see the Alatul.
Past the student union.
Past the student union, and don't stop. Suppose the student union is on your left side, don't stop at this building, just pass away.
Uh-huh.
And turn right at the cafe.
Okay, so what happens then? You will find a cafe, turn right at the cafe. That means the cafe is on a corner.
Turn right at the cafe. Okay.
Next to the cafe is the library.
Okay, so just next to the cafe, when you turn right, the next building after cafe will be the library.
Okay.
Walk past the library, and there you are.
And okay, so there's a library on your right side. You walk past the library. You don't stop at the library. You go straight, and the library is on your right. You go, and the next building is the English department.
The next building.
Question 4. Where is the English department?
Right next door?
Yep, it's right across from the gym. You can't miss it.
Okay, so stop it.
Conversation 5.
Stop it. So what happens that he says, you go next to the library. The English department is next to the library, and he says just next door. He says yes, the next building after the library, and it's right across the gym. So don't think it is next to the gym. The gym is across. It is in front of the English department, but it is not next to the gym. It is always it's next to the library, and next to means just besides you. Okay, so this is the answer, that is next to the library. Yes. Next to the cafe? No. Next to the student union? Next to the gym? No. So it is, answer is number 1, that is A. Okay, let's go to the last one, final one.
So how do you get to school every day?
I take the bus. It's crowded, but it's fast. And the bus stop is near my apartment. How about you?
Yeah, the bus stop is near my place too, but I walk.
Gee, you live far from campus. That must take a long time. Why do you walk?
It's healthy. I don't have time to go to the gym, and we sit all day in class.
Question 5.
Okay, so what happens here? They are talking about coming to college. How do they come? So Lee says, I take the bus because it's fast. It's very fast. So I can come, I can save time, and I reach the campus quite early. He talks about Dan, and Dan says, no, I don't take the bus. I know it's fast, but it's too crowded. No, he's not talking about crowded. No. The bus stop is too far. No. He's actually saying that we sit in the class all day, and we don't get time to exercise. So it's better for me to have a walk. And my place is not very far from the campus. It's just a 10-minute walk. So he just wants to have some exercise. So he thinks the bus stop is too crowded. No. The bus is too crowded. No. The bus stop is too far. No. He thinks the bus takes too long. No. He wants to get some exercise. So it's answer number D. Let's go to the next activity. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Now look at these two pictures. The first picture is a quieter place. It's quiet. It is more green. It has no multi-stories, huge buildings. No, small buildings, small houses, few houses. The road is also not very broad, but looks like comfortably, a quieter place. Whereas the second picture has, multi-story buildings, and number of people you can see. It's crowded. And looks like a happening place, a place where you can have fun, you can have restaurants, many different things you can enjoy. But obviously it looks like noisy. So these are two neighborhoods. Now let's go down to a table here. And, you can write down the pros and cons, the positive points and the negative points of neighborhood A, that is looking like a town, and neighborhood B, that is looking like a city. So you write down the good points here and you write down the bad points here. More important than this, we can come down to the next activity, which is when two friends are talking. But before that, we have this vocabulary preview. Let's get ourselves acquainted. Let's know these new words before we go out to the next listening. Neighbors, the people, as I told you, who live around your house. Public transportation. That some student told me, Muwasalatul Amma. Okay, the buses, the taxis. So where people are there, you pay them money and they take you to other places. And mostly it is buses and taxis in most of the countries. And traffic means the number of buses and cars and scooters and bikes on the road. Some people confuse it with zahma. No, traffic means the number of vehicles on the road. If there are many, you can say the traffic is huge. If there are few, you say traffic is less. Adjectives: boring, mumil, okay? Convenient. Convenient is something that suits you, something that is good for you, okay? Like some people find it convenient to travel in a car, long distances also. Some people find, no, it's not convenient for me. For me, only aeroplane journey is convenient. So different people have different points of conveniences. So convenient is something that is suitable for you more. Ethnic. Ethnic is a difficult word to explain in my language. It's something that has to do with a specific country and its culture, a specific race, okay, a specific group of people from a region do it, traditional, these words, all of these words come with ethnic, which we call in Arabic, sha'bi. So ethnic shops, the shops which sell traditional items, or the ethnic restaurants, the food stores, the restaurants that have traditional food available. Okay, expressions. At the end of my blog, on my blog, it means that the place that you live, you have different buildings, and the block that you live in, the block that you stay in is your place, and you describe something like it is the end of my block, or it is exactly on my block. If there is a shop, you say there is a traditional shop right across my block. So this is how you express your address. Okay, go down a little. There are two people who are talking here. No. Go up. Yeah, go up. Yeah, this one. No, this one. This table. Go down a little. Table. Yes. This table, what happens, there are two neighborhoods here. Neighborhood 1 and neighborhood 2. Neighborhood 1, it is the name of this neighborhood is South Beach. And neighborhood 2, the name of this neighborhood is Little Gables. Now South Beach is an exciting neighborhood. It's a city. And Little Gables, it's a town. Okay? And there are two people who are discussing about the pros, that is the good points, and cons, the negative points of these two neighborhoods. Now this is what we are going to look at, inshallah, in the next video.